Assalamualaikum dear students, I am your science teacher for class 6th. Now open your science book unit number 5. Continue this unit. Now our topic is mixture. A mixture is a substance made up of two or more elements or compounds when physically mixed in any ratio. Take the example of milk and water mixture. All mixtures are heterogeneous except solutions which are homogeneous. Characteristics of a mixture. Number 1. It is made up of two or more pure substances, elements or compounds that are physically mixed. Number 2. The ratio of the constituents is not fixed. Number 3. The properties of a mixture depends upon the properties of its components. No new substance is formed. Number 4. It is usually heterogeneous. Number 5. It does not have a definite melting or boiling point. Differences between compound and mixture. Compound or mixture. Number 1. It is made up of two or more elements that are chemically united. Mixture. It is made up of two or more pure substances that are mixed physically. Number 2. Compound. The ratio of its components is fixed. Mixture. The ratio of its components is variable. Number 3. It is homogeneous. It is usually heterogeneous. Number 4. It exhibits definite properties. Mixture. Its properties are variable. Number 5. Energy is absorbed or released during formation of a compound. Mixture. Energy is neither absorbed nor released during formation of a mixture. Number 6. Its components can be separated by chemical method only. Mixture. Its components can be separated by physical methods. To sum up, number 1. Grouping of substances according to some common characteristics is known as classification. वो तरीका जिसमें चीज़ों को उनकी खुसूसियात के बिना पर मुख्तलिफ ग्रुप्स में रखा जाए क्लासिफिकेशन कहलाता है. Number 2. Classification makes the study of substances simple, easier and systematic. क्लासिफिकेशन सब्सटेंस की मालूमात को सादा और मुनज़्ज़म तरीके से बनाता है. Number 3. Matter can be classified on the basis of their color, size, taste, smell, shape, hardness and solubility. मैटर की खुसूसियात इसके कलर, टेस्ट, स्मेल, शेप, हार्डनेस और सॉलिबिलिटी की बुनियाद पर क्लासिफाइड कर सकते हैं. Number 4. Homogeneous matter has a definite composition and same properties throughout its body. Definite composition और same properties रखते हैं. Number 5. Element is a pure substance in which all the atoms are of the same kind. एलिमेंट्स एक प्योर सब्सटेंस होते हैं जिनके तमाम एटम एक ही किस्म के होते हैं. Number 6. There are 92 naturally occurring elements while remaining are man-made. इनमें 92 एलिमेंट्स कुदरती तौर पर पाए जाते हैं और बाकी एलिमेंट्स मसनूई तौर पर लेबॉर्ट्री में तैयार किए जाते हैं. Number 7. Elements with luster, ductility, malleability are called metals. वो एलिमेंट्स जिनमें लस्टर, डक्टिलिटी, मैलिबिलिटी होते हैं वो मेटल्स कहलाते हैं. सम एलिमेंट्स आर सॉलिड्स, सम आर लिक्विड्स एंड अदर्स आर गैसेस. कुछ एलिमेंट्स सॉलिड, कुछ एलिमेंट्स लिक्विड और कुछ एलिमेंट्स गैसेस होते हैं. Number 9. Metallites are on the borderline of metals and non-metals. मेटलाइट्स मेटल और नॉन मेटल्स की बॉर्डर लाइन पर होते हैं. Number 10. Elements and compounds are pure substances. एलिमेंट्स और कंपाउंड्स खालिस सब्सटेंस होते हैं. Number 11. A compound is formed by the chemical union of two or more elements in a fixed ratio by mass. जब दो या दो से ज़्यादा एलिमेंट्स केमियाई तौर पर फिक्स रेशो बाय मास मिलते हैं तो कंपाउंड बनता है। नंबर 12, अ मिक्सचर इज फॉर्म्ड व्हेन 2 or more एलिमेंट्स और कंपाउंड्स आर फिजिकली मिक्सड इन एनी रेशो। जब 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा एलिमेंट्स और कंपाउंड्स तबई या फिजिकली तौर पर किसी भी रेशो से मिलते हैं तो वो मिक्सचर कहलाता है। नाउ ओपन योर साइंस जर्नल। We have already done to question number 1 to question number 8 in the previous lecture. Now we are starting from question number 9. What is a mixture? This is the answer of question number 9, mixture. Question number 10. What are the constituent elements of the following? Sand, water, sugar, common salt. This is the answer of question number 10. Make 2 columns, compounds and constituent elements present. Question number 11. Give differences between a compound and a mixture. This is the answer of question number 11. Make 2 columns, compounds and mixtures. Make 2 columns, compounds and mixtures. Fill in the blanks. A. Matter which contains only one type of atoms is called dash. Is called elements. B. The physical state of mercury is dash. Mercury is liquid. C. The metals are dash of heat and electricity are conductor. D. Some metals are malleable and dash and ductile. E. Dash elements are known to man. 109 elements. Write true or false against each of the following statements. A. All the elements occur in a free state in the Earth's crust. This statement is false because they are present in combination with other elements, so answer is false. Tick mark in false box. B. Metals are good conductor of electricity. This statement is true. Tick mark in true box. C. A solution is a mixture. This statement is true. Tick mark in true box. D. Oxygen and nitrogen are metals. This statement is false because oxygen and nitrogen are non-metals. All gases are non-metals. E. Sugar is a compound of carbon and hydrogen. This statement is true because sugar is a compound of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So tick mark in true box. This is the end of today's lecture. Please complete your homework and submit it on coming Tuesday.